This is the connecting rooms we got. This is the window. I'll show y'all that. So let's get this started. Let's see. That's how we do. We want to just do a full circle panorama, full circle. All right. So let's see if we can get this view here. That is that. Has a bunk bed, couch. So we got a nightstand here. Looks like, it's hard to get into all this, but that's that. Little table there. So this is where your mini fridge will be. We already got some drinks up in there, the waters and all that. Always gotta get the water, TV. You have your safe up in here. Some more shelves. Always got the pro tip, bring an extra additional charger. That way you can have multiple ports on the ship because there's not too many outlets in here. I think actually those probably are the only outlets. Got some deep drawers. Little trash can. It's your boy. Okay, first closet. Shelves. Mirror. Second closet. Your flotation devices. Where you hang everything up at. Let's see the next one. More life jackets. And more hangers. Snooze and privacy, please. And your bathroom, I will tell you, there goes your hooks there. Watch your step. You'll trip on this if you don't step up. Shower. Bang. Clothesline to dry your stuff. Bathroom. Yep. Just your norm. Your norm. That'd be it, bro. Now, again, we have connecting rooms. So with that being said, bam. Next room. Same thing though. Same thing on the other side. Connecting rooms. Yeah. So that's what it is. That is the room tour. Got that knocked out quick. That way you can know, one, if you get this room, or you want to know how it looks like. This is on deck 3, so this is like close to, like, as soon as you walk into where the atrium and the lobby is. So keep that in mind. I'll let you know how that goes as the cruise goes on, but that's close, so you're probably gonna be hearing some music late at night, all that. But yeah, this is the beginning of the cruise, and see how many videos I can get to y'all, what I can all go over with you about. And let's see. Oh, boom. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. See how I flipped it? That was weird, but all right. So I'll be back with y'all in a little bit. Peace.